Hello there, my name is Ismos and welcome to another exciting video. So here at Top Channel 101, I don't just make tutorials, but I also try and highlight the creators or artists that have some amazing work, especially in the Blender field. So yeah, this is Paolo Frani, and he kind of redefined what an advanced Blender user means to me. And I used to call myself a Blender advanced user, and that's what I used to call to tell other people. But now I really have to reevaluate after seeing what he has done here. So he's using nodes, not animation nodes, not any other version, but the nodes in your Blender shader, a material shader, and he's, as you saw before, he did some math, weird math. If you skipped math, yeah, this is not going to be for you, as it's not for me as well. So, but it's a very interesting work. So I thought I could show you some of it. I'm not going to show the entire video. You can just go to the link in the description so that you can check out the work itself, and maybe follow him on Facebook as well. So, but yeah, he did some interesting stuff here using the Blender shader nodes. You can see, as I said before, he started with some math equations and did some calculations, and he's trying to replicate them in Blender here using the material shader. It's not just doing something like, I don't know how to term it, but you can see exactly what he's doing here. He's making a zip line. It's just, I can't. There is no way I can even imagine doing this. And he's also adding that actual zip on there, and you can see, and it closes and opens. Just math and nodes. Now, if you can't do that, I guess you can give it a try and show us some results. But I wouldn't even know where to start. As you can see, yeah, again, it's Paolo Frani. I hope I'm not butchering his name. So check him out and see some of his other works. He really has some interesting works out there. And as I said, if I find interesting stuff like this, I'll try and share it with you guys. So yeah, let me share this on my page as well. By the way, I do have a Facebook page called Blender 101. I'll also be leaving a link in the description. So yeah, again, I'm going to be leaving a link to this guy's Facebook page so that you can check him out. He has a lot of interesting stuff. Thank you for watching.